So when you're about to put several $1,000s in filters, and the filters are high efficiency, near HEPA type filters, you cannot afford to have any leaks in any of your ductwork, inside or out. And so even your inside seams need to be sealed all the way around, everywhere. Because it doesn't matter how good the filters you put in your duct system, if your duct system sucks in air, dirty air from outside. You could put the best HEPA filters in the world, but if you have leaky ducts, that makes no difference. So when you're about to spend $30,000+ on some duct work, seal it up good, air and tight, inside and out.